Cause shawty, you the baddest. Lil' baby, you the baddest thing I've ever seen. And girl, I know you're not the average thing. So I guess we got a vibe until you got a ring. I'm tryna tell you, you the baddest. And girl, I swear I see you'll never be an average thing. Cause you got something I never.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Yup.
As you can see, I'm with my beautiful, handsome, lovely boyfriend.
Daddy.
I know you guys are not used to seeing me this way. I know I look busted. It's like 5 o'clock in the morning.
It's actually 7.
And I thought I would do a quick little fun video. So, I know y'all remember that trend that was going around, the 100 layers of whatever. I'm gonna do the 100 layers of foundation. I did not want to do that on myself because my skin's already struggling right now, and I did not want to do that to my face. So of course, Milo decided to volunteer and be such a good person.
Yo, I swear to God, I'm not high, bro. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. We have not been asleep yet. I'm super sleepy, but I was willing to break sleep to help her with her video. And we got this video idea from, I don't know her name. I actually recommended this video to her.
Yeah, he told me, hey, we should do this for your channel. I was like, you're right.
Yeah.
I'm going to be putting on 100 layers of foundation and powder on his face.
We could just get you a new powder.
And then we're going to be taking it off, showing you guys how to take it off on our main channel.
That way.
So, if you're not subscribed to our main channel, you should go subscribe to our main channel.
Yeah.
Are you ready, babe?
I'm beyond ready.
How uncomfortable do you think it's going to feel on a scale from 1 to 10?
Well, I've worn makeup before. You know what I mean? Like when I model, I had to wear makeup. And then for the video shoots, I had to wear makeup. And makeup is super uncomfortable for me. I say it all the time. I don't know how y'all, because I know everybody who's watching this, I know y'all wear makeup. So I don't know how y'all do it. I salute y'all for that because I can't do it.
So imagine 100 layers.
This is going to be horrific.
Yeah, I couldn't do it, so thank God, babe, you're being a good volunteer. You ready?
We got like 3 different spare foundations that she don't even use. One of these is a foundation she used to use
I'm gonna use this one.
for my
Or should we
videos.
use that last?
Wait, is there like alcohol in that one?
No.
It burns.
Why is it burning?
I don't know. You got some issues.
I've been told that I'm very like rough when I do people's makeup. Powder. I'm gonna waste my whole Laura Mercier powder, you guys.
I'll buy you another one, baby. I'll buy you one tomorrow.
And we just got this.
I'll buy you one tomorrow.
Yeah. Okay, here goes layer number 5.
Woo!
How your face feeling so far?
I feel normal.
Normal?
Surprisingly.
This is already layer number 5. We're gonna be back and start showing it in sections because it's gonna be all day if we do it in real time. So I'm gonna speed it up and we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
This is 10 layers so far. You look very scary. I think babe is also having like an allergic reaction to this foundation. So this
It
is not
burns
good.
so bad, bro.
I told him we could stop, but he wants to keep going.
Let's try to switch foundations.
Okay.
You know what I think we should do? I think we should add 2 layers of foundation at a time.
already 14 layers. We're gonna come back around 20 or 25 maybe. It's so scary. Okay guys, so we just did the 25th layer.
It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We ain't trying to be here all night. She adds like literally like triple how much she normally would add, and then add like double powder. So we're just about to speed it up, bro, because like this shit wasn't going on.
You're so impatient.
I can't do this.
Okay, I'll just cake it up. Okay.
Yes, baby.
How much I'm caking it up? This would be like 5 layers.
You serious?
Yes, babe.
We ain't gonna count it just 5 though.
We're just gonna go for as long as we can, and we'll just count it at the end and see how many layers we did. What do you think? Because babe's tired and this foundation is making him itch. So
My
I
itch
think
is burning.
so I think we're just gonna like really kick it up and just go as long as you can bear, babe.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll watch the video back and see how many layers we actually did. Sound good?
Yep.
It looks so scary. So what does it feel like?
It's
Explain.
so, like it's
Turn
so
this way.
thick, I can't even feel you touching my face.
Oh, this looks so gross.
Oh my god.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
It's like it's holding my eyes shut. You feel me?
It's holding your eyes shut?
Yeah. We almost done with the Fenty.
No, we're not. This is disgusting. I don't know why, like, when makeup is caked on, it actually looks like, not, obviously it looks disgusting, but it just makes you feel gross, like, and dirty, even though it's just makeup. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. My face don't burn as much, surprisingly.
Really?
It's weird, right? I
Oh,
guess it's
shoot, I
because you're
think we
not.
are running out.
I know, that's why I said that. I guess it's just because you're not beating my face no more. Thank you. How much did you have left for that?
Like about half a bottle.
Normally you'll put like a thin layer. We're just putting super thick layers. We're just gonna count it as like 3.
Because you can't bear it, huh?
I ain't gonna be able to sit through 100 sessions. I'll catch it for you and put it back, baby.
Stop it, babe. Turn.
I keep on eating this powder. I don't know why. It's just like my lips feel so nasty. It's like I naturally gotta lick my lips, like, and I keep on like, oh my god.
It's okay, babe. Okay, time to get the other foundation. There's no more Fenty.
I use that other one again.
You look like you're made of clay. This sponge is garbage after today. Probably should have used the one I always use.
A shower. That's what I need. So funny. We stopped counting.
No, we're just going. That's fine. We're just going.
You just wanna go until we out of all the foundation?
Yep.
Oh, I feel a bubble. I literally can't even feel this.
Are you serious?
Foundation is usually cold when it goes in your face, right?
Yes.
I don't feel anything. I just feel the pads, pressure.
Baby, your face is like so wet. It's making the brush.
I know,
like,
I feel it.
Wet.
I feel it like sticking to my face.
Isn't that crazy?
Alright, so we just ran out of 2 foundations, down to the last one.
Baby, you can't even see your eyebrows anymore.
This is at least 50 layers.
It is.
Is this making me the right color now?
Yep. literally painting. I feel like I'm like doing an art project right now.
So look at this foundation.
It's a lot. Turn.
Shit. We just about to run through this and then we done. That's 100 layers. I don't care.
Yeah, we used almost 3 whole bottles of foundation. Y'all, that don't even look like you, babe. Babe, come here, let me do it. It's to the point where I can't even blend it in. Like, it's just
Like we're just
boom.
painting.
Like, literally just.
Paint it on.
Just, baby, you look scary in the camera.
I can see my wet nose, bro.
There's a little extra glue right here.
Oh my god. Put on my mouth.
Put it in my mouth for me.
It's so mean to me.
Kind of lean back so powder don't.
Just do this while you get that.
Shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Breathe.
Baby, okay. Alright, cool. Here.
Maybe it ran out.
We ran out of powder, so I had to go steal my Bob. Sorry, Bob.
Okay, put your head back. We're just going. Keep your eyes closed, babe. Baby, close your eyes.
Oh, it's getting in my ear, baby.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ew. Oh my god, babe. This looks disgusting. You don't even look like a person anymore.
I know.
You look like something else.
It's still not set.
Turn this. How do I shake up this out? Did it come with a lid? Where's the lid?
Yo, we barely got any foundation left, so we probably got enough for like one more run.
Yep.
That's technically, this is like what we call one more run. That's like 10 layers right there, bro. Damn, all this powder's getting in my chains. I just realized that.
It's okay.
I got the wrong weight.
No, you don't.
This cleanup is about to be crazy. You think we're good to do this last layer?
No, it's gonna wipe this off. It is. It's gonna wipe this off. So,
Just add it lightly.
baby, no, trust me. Trust me. I know how makeup works. This is too
Hold on,
much.
whoa.
This is too much. I'm pretty sure if we were to wring the sponge out, like nothing but foundation, you'll see a stream of foundation come out.
Facts.
It's so soaked with foundation. But alright guys, it's the finished look.
Yeah, I think I'd say that was about 100 layers.
Babe looks crazy. He don't even look like a person. How does it feel, babe?
Disgusting.
Disgusting?
Keep that. Yeah. Keep it 1,000, won't you say what you need?
Okay, start recording. This is I don't know how many layers, a lot. We literally could not go anymore because if I were to put more, it would just
Wipe it off.
completely wipe off. So, babe.
Yeah, this looks way more dramatic than...
Show them the creases in your forehead. Do y'all see that? That is disgusting. Oh my god, right there. That looks disgusting. Oh my god. That is crazy, babe. Baby, your lips. You literally have like a whole mountain. Yes.
That whole lump on my lip.
Oh, babe. Can you explain how it feels?
My lips feel so disgusting. And me, I'm a light skin, so I lick my lips a lot. I'm so tempted to like just lick it all off. But I'm really like trying. I already ate so much powder today, and like, oh my god, this is torture, bro. Like, it don't burn no more though.
Okay, so we're gonna scrape it off. Okay, so this is what his face looks like. This is the end result. As you can see, he is like filthy dirty. Babe! I'm filthy dirty. I wash my hands. You guys should have seen this thing just for my hands, so I can imagine when you wash off your face. Speaking of, if you want to see him take all of this off, go to our channel to watch part 2 of this video of him. He's gonna like scrape it off. He's gonna wash it off. We're just gonna see how disgusting it looks. So you don't want to miss that. So click up here to watch part 2 of this.
That way.
But yeah.
On my mama cookers.
Thank you, baby, for being a participant.
Of course.
He looks crazy.
I look beautiful though. I look real beautiful.
But thank you guys for watching. Yes, baby. I'm not kissing you. I love you, but I'm not gonna kiss you. No.
The neglect.
Thank you guys for watching. Like this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already.
And ding.
And make sure you turn on your post notifications.
And follow our Instagram at Hazel Galax.
Yeah.
Hazel Galax. Hazel Gal X.
Alright, I'll see you guys in another video.
Cause shawty, you the baddest. Lil' baby, you the baddest thing I've ever seen. And girl, I know you're not the average thing. So I guess we gotta vibe until you got a ring. I'm tryna tell you, you the baddest. And girl, I swear I see you'll never be an average thing. Cause you